8 News is taking action tonight, and for the first time, we are hearing from the Virginia Dog Breeding and Research Facility cited with multiple animal welfare violations. This as state lawmakers crack down on Envigo at the Capitol. 8 News investigator Carrie O'Brien continues to follow this developing story. She joins us in the studio now with the latest. Carrie.
Deanna, Envigo was the buzzword at the General Assembly today and yesterday. 8 of 11 bills aimed at providing more oversight at the troubled Cumberland facility move forward. Meantime, Envigo is blaming all their troubles on COVID.
It became a perfect storm.
Speaking before Virginia House Subcommittee, Carmen Wilborn, Vice President of North America Operations at Envigo, says a pandemic combination of a higher number of dogs and low staff is what led to 39 federal animal welfare violations, including dead puppies at the Cumberland kennels.
We were highly impacted by COVID-19 with our customers. They stopped ordering animals from us, and at the same time, we were having trouble maintaining and attracting staff through the pandemic.
USDA inspection reports show Envigo had just 17 workers on staff to care for more than 5,000 beagles. Susan Seward with the Virginia Veterinary Medical Association calls it unacceptable.
This is woefully inadequate, and that is why we're ending up with 300 dead puppies.
Envigo, which breeds the dogs for medical research, claims it's taken steps to improve conditions. They're adding staff by increasing the starting salary to $16 an hour, offering a $5,000 signing bonus for all new positions, enhanced cleaning processes, and treating all animals the USDA found to have medical issues.
I invite all of you to come out to visit the facility and see firsthand how our animals are cared for and housed.
Still, lawmakers disturbed by the repeat violations, kennels with a buildup of feces, dirt, and grime, sick and untreated beagles, and dead dogs are moving forward with bills to increase transparency and to hold Envigo accountable.
I was appalled and honestly dumbfounded.
Delegate Robert Bell's bill would prohibit the sale of dogs or cats for experimental purposes if the dealer, like Envigo, has been cited for 3 or more critical animal welfare violations.
They found multiple dead puppies.
Among the other bills moving forward, legislation in the Senate that would create an animal welfare oversight officer to inspect operations at Envigo, and a measure to close a loophole that allows Envigo to escape state animal cruelty charges.
We've got to have some meaningful change.
Dozens of animal advocates,
and they feel pain just like we do.
From animal control to the Virginia Coalition for Beagle Protection, lined up to support the bills.
These animals individually don't have anyone to speak for them but us.
Some critics have pointed out Envigo could have just stopped breeding dogs when customer orders were down and staff was low. Now, following the hearings, we wanted to directly ask Envigo about that and other questions. Wilborn declined, telling us no comment. Carrie O'Brien, 8 News.